And together we are Mommy and We Travel. What's up, guys? I'm Mommy.
And I'm Bella.
And together we are Mommy and We Travels. So currently we are here at Zoo Tampa, or when I grew up, we used to call it Lowry Park Zoo. So we're going to just be showing you guys all of the animals that we are seeing today. And are you ready to have fun?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
So we decided to stop by Zoo Tampa today as we're on the way to one of her doctor's appointments. It's like right around the corner. We did sign up for the annual pass, which was like $115 for 2 people for 12 months. So it's not that bad considering regular admission is about $30 for kids and maybe about $40 for adults. With her homeschooling, I figure we'll spend a lot more time there at the zoo and a lot of different local places. So I figure, you know, $115 divided by 2 people, divided by multiple visits, we will definitely get our money's worth at Zoo Tampa. And this is not just a zoo. They have, you know, a few little rides for the children, and it's something fun to do. So we're over here in the bird section, and we were able to see a bunch of different types of birds just walking around. We got to read the signs to see exactly what they were about, and of course get all of her questions answered about the birds. So we are here towards the entrance, and we headed straight to the primate section. So as I said before, there's so many things to do here at Zoo Tampa. And we actually did not spend a full day here. We were just here for a quick stop, like maybe maybe an hour. We were there for a little bit closer to an hour. And we're just walking around seeing the different animals. But we are headed here to see the orangutans.
Ooh, is that where we sleep? Mommy, look, it's animal chat time. Mommy, the tigers in there?
No. Look, it tells you right here, orangutans.
Where's the baby orangutan?
Let's go find them.
The baby orangutan is Mommy, I don't see no baby orangutan.
That's the baby right there.
Where? The one that's climbing?
Yeah.
That does not look like a baby.
I promise you that's a baby orangutan. Look at how big that one is right there.
That's not a baby. A baby's right there on the sign.
Maybe they don't have any newborn babies.
I have it today. And then I'm going to bring my teddy bear. I hope I can get another teddy bear. So cute. Mommy, if I'm the Nora teddy bear.
So yeah, that was the panther back there. So she has a doctor's appointment, and the zoo is near her doctor's office. So we figure we'll stop by the zoo and look at the animals.
And her day's off on Wednesday anyways.
Yes. So we're going to be showing you guys all the animals that we're seeing. So stay tuned. You know what that's called?
His name is Mr. Kiffin.
It's a Komodo dragon.
No. He's from Jesse.
He's from Jesse?
Yeah. You know Robbie, the Indian actor? That's his pet.
So near the entrance, there is multiple ways to get into different parts of the zoo. So we chose to go towards the primates, but there's a lot of different areas to go into. And so we are going to see the tiger.
You see it over there?
Where?
Over there. It's huge.
It's not huge because I don't see it. It's laying like it's dead. Why is it laying like it's dead?
It's asleep. Wow. What is it doing?
I don't know. Taking a bath? Run! 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 turtle. I see that, but where's the turtle?
Where do you see turtles at?
Right here. Right here.
But then you gotta look.
I know there is unicorn. It's a unicorn.
That's very cool. Hey, kiddos, come here for a second.
Although they do have their horns. They do have their horns. Mommy, that's the Indian one. That's the Indian one.
Yes, great Indian rhinoceros. Look at that rhino over there.
Oh, I already see it. Why is there two rhinos?
Just two of them. How many rhinos do you want to see? What do they eat?
Grass. Yeah, we eat tall grass. Mommy, this alligator is in here.
Indian gorilla. It's from Nepal. Look, there's that turtle you were looking for.
Where?
Right there.
Ooh. But then why is it in here with the alligator?
Well, maybe they don't play along well. You see them?
I don't see the alligator.
They're right there.
Where's the alligator?
They were right there in the water.
Oh, there's the turtle. Yeah. I see the alligator.
Right there.
I see it. That's why the turtle stays following us.
Ready to see the manatees?
Are there snakes here?
Everything's locked up though.
I don't care. I'm so scared.
Look at the manatee. Feels good.
Don't. There's snakes in here. Mommy, where's the snake?
Look right there. This is a Florida cottonmouth. So if you ever see one of these,
Run away?
run. It can kill you.
Then how did they get the snake in here?
They're special snake handlers. Oh, this is a pygmy rattlesnake.
Is that a two-headed snake?
No, a rattlesnake.
Come on, I want to see all the snakes.
Okay. This is a diamondback.
Oh, look, the snake is moving up.
Yeah, it's moving over here too. It's a diamondback.
Look, the snake is moving.
Where?
Keep on missing it. The little snake right there.
All snakes everywhere are moving. This is a Yellow rat snake.
No, there's a big snake in there too.
Yellow rat snake and gray snake.
How many snakes do we have?
I don't know. This is another type of
Those
rattlesnake.
ones are supposed to be in the desert.
Look at that tail. Look at the lizard. Look at the iguana. It's an indigo snake. Look at the fish. See Nemo?
Yeah? That's Nemo. That's Nemo. That's the dad.
You know what the real name for them are?
No? The clownfish.
Yep. Look at this one.
Mommy, look at this big tail.
Yeah, it's really big. Oh, it's eating. You see it over here eating?
Yeah? Is that supposed to be a baby manatee?
I'm not sure.
Is that a baby manatee or a turtle?
Where?
Right there.
That's a turtle. Guess what they eat?
Salad.
You see he's down there asleep.
How do manatees sleep underwater? Do you breathe water like SpongeBob?
I'm not sure. Let's see if we can find out.
Mommy, if six manatee teddy bears cost $2, can I get one?
Oh, look, we're looking at the otters right now.
Look, it's about to come. You know? Look, it's gonna come. Have to wait.
American alligator.
Oh, look it. It likes to eat. Why can't we just get on the rabbit? We're already gonna get wet.
So here are some prices for some face painting, some with glitter, some without. Now this place wasn't open when we came. We came about 12, 1 o'clock. The park was not busy at all. Like I'm loving this homeschool schedule because we're able to get into places and not have long lines. And so look, they have Kona ice. They just had like a bunch of different vendors there. I even saw that they had a Wendy's Frosty truck there, you guys. So this is amazing. They have lots of foods to eat, and then they have a carousel here. They have, you know, a few different splash areas. It's a bunch of things to do here at Zoo Tampa.
We have a carousel. This is a whole theme park.
Guess what? We can come back all
And
year.
you can get your money here, like ATM. It's here.
The elephants are over here.
African elephants.
Oh, they got another ride over there. Oh,
Is it so cold? I want to see if we have tomorrow.
And as you guys saw back there, this is, you know, a traditional zoo. They have the elephants. They have all of the animals. but we did not stay for the whole time. We were just there for a brief period of time. But they have a lot of things to do. When we go again, we will get a chance to see all of the other animals. But this is a pretty fun place for the kids. So as I said, we didn't stay there long, but we did have a fun time while we were there at Zoo Tampa. Prices, once again, for kids, I believe it was $31.95, and for adults it was about $40. If you can, I would suggest maybe getting the buy a day, get a year pass, or maybe get the membership pass. Like I said, it was about $115 for 2 people, and that's pretty good. If you go a few times, that covers that, and parking is in the preferred member area. So here's that other splash pad that's at Zoo Tampa. We had a blast. We cannot wait to go back. The next time I go back, I'm more than likely going to take my niece and just let them roam around Zoo Tampa. Like, it's pretty much going to be, I don't have to pay for it anymore. I paid for the pass. So we had a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, go ahead and subscribe. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.